It has been 10 years since I've given the pond a brand new and fresh look. So let's see what we're working with. As we make our way around the pond, we can see that the landscape hasn't been updated. Rocks are everywhere. Old trees that don't look flattering in this area are still remaining here. As we make our way to the pond, we can see this black netting over the pond, protecting it from egrets, but it doesn't give you good access to see the koi, and that's the only reason you really come to enjoy a pond. Even there, you have an old table nobody's ever sat at, nobody wants to sit at. As we make our way around here, we have all of our piping system, all the weeds, all the hosing is just misplaced. As we make our way to the back, we have all these overgrown plants, dead plants, and even these mulch and soil bags that just need to be replaced and re-cleaned.